right, you guys, we found Pioneer Woman, and Pioneer Woman. I just grabbed it. Really don't know what it is. Let's see. I know it has to do something with the kitchen. Let me see if I can get exactly. All right, so it says the Pioneer Woman, and it says flower pot protectors. All right, so if I got to guess, this one is 13.75 inches. All right, if I had to guess, because I do not cook, I believe you might put these down on the counter, and when you cook something in a pot, you put the pot on here so it doesn't burn the counter. Let me know if I'm right. If I'm right, give me a thumbs up. So I only found 2 colors, so I really like this red. Again, these are the Pioneer Woman pot protectors. So here's the tag. All right, here is the UPC for the red. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the blue one before I show you the price. All right, so here is the blue. And you can't go wrong with either color. Here's this one. Same size, same everything, but a different color. And it says this one is a 3-pack. All right, so here's the 3 that it comes with. Here's the UPC. And only on Angel on the Go, we find you guys the best deals. Boom, boom, boom. Watch this. Look at that. Boom, $1. It went from $9.96 all the way down to $1. $1. Look at this. The red one, $1. This thing was almost $10, you guys, all the way down to $1. That means 90% off, right? Yeah, these are 90% off, you guys. So the next time you guys are in Walmart and you see these Pioneer Woman pot protectors, let us know too if you guys are able to find any other colors, but these are the only 2 colors we're able to find so far. And look at this. This is nice. Look at that. That's nice. Let us know if you're able to find any other colors. If we stop by another Walmart and we find more, I'll go ahead and film and let you guys know. But so far, these are the only 2 that we found, but they're only $1. $1 on Angel on the Go. Good luck.
Alright, so my next find is the Pioneer Woman.
You know, you just bragging.
Jealous.
You just bragging.
I think he's jealous.
Just go ahead. Come on.
It's okay.
I am jealous.
I will share with you.
I am jealous, you guys. You know I love Pioneer Woman, and Manny just found this great deal.
Alright,
I'm jealous.
We found this.
Yeah.
Pioneer Woman, and it's a floral kitchen towel. And this is a 4-pack of towels.
Wait, can you turn it around so they can really see it?
Yeah.
No. Turn it around sideways.
I use it like that?
Like that,
like
yeah.
that.
Okay, wait, your phone. There you go. Look at that. The Pioneer Woman, only on Angel on the Go. 4-pack? Let me see the back. Look how pretty that is, you guys. All right, so you get a 4-pack. Turn it around, let me see. A 4-pack of the Pioneer Woman floral kitchen towels. This is 16-inch by 28. So this is what you guys want to be looking for. Look at that. Look how nice that is. And you guys, these are super, super thick. Regular price is $6.88. You guys see the price here, $5.37. But we're not talking about any other YouTuber. This is Angel on the Go. How much are we paying for these?
So this is only coming out for a 4-pack, $1.72.
$1.72?
Yeah, that's unbeatable.
For 4?
And that's Pioneer Woman. Remember Pioneer Woman for all my resellers?
Oh, okay. All right. How many did you get?
2 packs.
All right, so we got them down here, you guys. We actually got 3 total.
Yeah.
So again, look at this, you guys. $1.72. $1.72 for this. There you guys go. Let me show you the UPC. Did we show the UPC? Just in case we forgot because we're so excited. Wait, watch it. Okay. There's the UPC, you guys. If you guys find this one, let us know below in the comments. And if you guys find any other designs at this price, let us know.
We have cutting boards.
Man, you getting lucky today.
It's not luck. This is skill in action.
I taught you well. All right, look at this, you guys. Look how pretty that is.
So this is I don't know if that's timing table.
That's close enough.
And it's a herringbone board made of bamboo. So this
What does that mean?
It's made of bamboo.
But what is the herringbone? Yeah, what is that?
It's a herringbone board.
Okay, I'll go with that. Bamboo. Okay. Look at this, you guys. I love this. Look at that marking right there. That's super nice.
Yeah. It's heavy and hard.
Your hand hurt now?
Alright, so for anybody who needs a cutting board right now, these are expensive. If you've ever bought a cutting board, they're kind of pricey. It's about $20 or so. This one here was $19.97. And before I go to the price, let me show you the UPC here.
All right, you guys. This is the back of it. Look at that design. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. Boom. Here's the UPC. Wait, it's kind of blurry. I'm hoping you guys can see this. Hold on, it's kind of blurry. What is going on with my phone? Okay, there it is. All right, so there's a UPC, you guys. And what's the price they had on there?
So it went from $19.97 down to $16.18, which is another random number. I don't know. But when we scan it, it's coming up. Remember,
$6.99.
$6.99.
Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
All right.
$7 for
Yes.
a $20 item.
So again, you guys, we're finding all this in the clearance, and people are not scanning. This one was $19.97 down to $16.18, which I don't know where that price. Where's the 18 cents? And this is now down to $6.99. I think we found about 2 or 3.
Yeah.
We're gonna think about this because we found some more cutting boards. You guys ready?
All right. So the next cutting board we found is another Pioneer Woman.
How many cutting boards did you find?
Oh, a lot.
You guys, we're just running to do this video because we only have a couple minutes. I didn't even hardly look, but it looks like Manny found a bunch of cutting boards.
At least like 15.
Man, this is crazy. Look at this, you guys. Now, you know we do well with Pioneer Woman. And again, this is the cutting board. Doubles as a serving board. I have no clue what that means. I don't cook, so I'm going to let Manny explain this one.
What? You just serve people.
On there? After you cut?
I mean, you could just like carry it around.
Does it have the back? Let me see the back. Okay. I like the side. Look at this. Look at the side, you guys. Look at that color. All right. So again, this is the Pioneer Woman. It says, oh, that's his care. I thought it said cake. Care and safety. Okay, so here is the UPC. I'm hoping you guys can see it. It says Floral board on the UPC. And oh, here's the little stamp of approval, Pioneer Woman. And Manny, how much is this one?
So I don't see the regular price. Oh, there you go, right there.
All right.
So the regular price is $19.97 down to $12.73, and it's down to only $9.99.
Okay, so about $10.
Yeah.
$9.
I have price.
Yeah, 9. So 50% off. Can you flip it?
Oh.
All right, 50% off, you guys. We're gonna think about this. We actually found a few. So this is a different board. The first design. Can you take it to the?
What?
Can you push this up?
Oh.
Okay, that's the first design with the big flowers right here. And the second board that Manny found, they have these flowers. So there's different designs you guys got to look out for. Look at that. There's the UPC. This one is also a floral board. Okay. And there is the Pioneer Woman stamp. Again, the UPC. And is that one the same price?
You know, I thought they were all the same. I just started grabbing.
Oh,
So
okay.
I checked the other one, but I didn't check like the different. So let's check it right now real quick.
Okay, so you guys, the bottom one that we showed you first was $6.99.
So this is $9.33.
Wait, was that 9 something? I'm getting confused.
Yeah.
That's $9.99. Okay, hold on, you guys. We got so many cutting boards.
$9.99-ish.
How much is it? So this one is $9.33, and this one is also $9.33. Good luck. Again, you're looking for a Pioneer Woman cutting boards, and if you guys see this pattern or the other pattern, run and scan.
Alright, so the next Pioneer cutting board that we found is actually a glass cutting board.
Glass?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, want to see?
No, I don't want to see.
So, another Pioneer woman, it's called Sweet Rose glass cutting board.
All right, there's the measurements of it. All right, and yeah, this is the Sweet Rose. So if you guys see the Sweet Rose, matter of fact, we have I think we have a couple different ones. So you guys are gonna be looking out for this one, this print. And again, it's glass. That's a nice. I've never seen all this mess. I need to start cooking. Is there anything on the back?
This is the.
All right, so this is the back, you guys. All right, and where's the UPC? All right, look at that. Boom. There's the UPC. And again, this is the Pioneer Woman Sweet Rose glass cutting board. You guys, regular price is $9.97. Everybody that's going into clearance is receiving $7.01. How much are we getting it for?
So it's only going for.
Wait. I'm gonna do the drums. Go.
That was more like a boar or like a wild animal.
Go. How much, man?
So $1.99.
Boom in your face.
So $2. That's 80% off.
$1. Let me hold on. There's a little glare. $1.99, you guys, for this. $1.99. $1.99. Who else on YouTube is finding you these deals except for Manny and Angel? $1.99. Make sure you guys share this video, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. We need your support. Thumbs up, and make sure you guys click on that notification bell. We have another glass cutting board to show you. All right, give me that one. All right, this is the second one that Manny found.
I like the sound of that.
I know, you guys so lucky. Look at that print, you guys. And this is the Classic Charm Pioneer Woman. Again, you guys know that's a great brand. Pioneer Woman Classic Charm. I took my glasses off. Glass cutting board. What's the difference between the wood and the glass? Nothing?
One's wood and one's glass.
I don't.
I mean, the wood ones are thicker, so they can like scratch out. I don't know how, if this has got like a something on top of the glass to keep it from being like all scratched up. I've never used a glass one before.
You guys, I never used a cutting board before. You guys, let us know below if you guys like the glass ones, or what's the difference between the glass and the wood. All right, so we're gonna turn it around, show you. It has these little things, so I guess it won't slide off the counter. All right, there's a stamp for approval, Pioneer Woman. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this UPC, and boom, you guys, only on Angel on the Go. You guys see $9.97? Nope. You guys see $7.01? Nope. This one is also $1.99. Manny is getting too good. He's getting good. Now I can send you off by yourself, right?
We might have to do a count. I might need to like retrain you or something.
Oh man, he talking all this mess, you guys. Come on. All right, so look at this. Look at that, $1.99. I'm gonna turn it around over here. Look at that, $1.99, $1.99, $1.99, $1.99. Oh, we got two. If you guys see this plaid with these big flowers, $1.99 or even cheaper. And if you guys see this print, $1.99 or cheaper. Good luck. Pioneer Woman. Angel's gonna be cooking really soon.